Let's do this. We got parts. We got more parts.
What's that?
Close.
Oh, I know what that is.
This as well.
It's a new shelf.
For the other bikes.
Oh,
Standard.
Ben's Bikes Racing. What might this be? Is there anything damageable? Can I?
Jump.
Yep. There's a brand new blade in here. Got to be careful.
When this turned up for the neighbour, he was like, I've got a parcel for you. And then he brought that out. I was like, oh, it's not the exhaust again. Thinking it, like, that's a small box, isn't it? When you like, it's got a whole exhaust system in. Look at that!
It's like a toy.
I know.
You're building a model.
Should we open this up?
Yeah.
What, live unboxing?
Do you need another knife?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch the zoom sticker.
Just cut my nail, I did.
Did you?
That's a brand new blade, isn't it?
Yeah. Did it go through?
Nah.
I can't believe how small that is. Look at the step down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It steps down like 5 sizes.
Oh, that looked nice though, didn't it? When you
Yeah.
just got that little. Look at that.
Is that matte? Like a matte finish.
Tig across there.
Sleeve. It's done.
That's definitely going to make more noise.
So we're going to get a super high-tech app as well called Sound Meter, and we're going to check the decibels.
Right then.
I'm just going to get your Wi-Fi code. Oh no, it doesn't matter. It's downloading now. Successfully installed.
That didn't take long for such a high quality app. That is high.
So max of 79.8, and that was probably the starter motor. 79.8 is the score to beat. Do you reckon I could have it done before you made the coffees?
Probably.
You think so? How do I always get roped into doing this? Because I love it. Oh yeah. Okay. Incredible. So we've got 2 12mm heads. Okay, there must be something else. Must be one other thing holding it. Must be on the other side as well. There we go, look. That teeny little thing there. I'm just waiting for it to go dunk, drop on the floor now. This is ridiculous. What was that, like a minute? Oh god, if I get this done before it comes back, it's going to be hilarious. I've never done this before either, so this is not set up. Okay, we're not going to tighten this all the way up, we're just going to get it sat. So we can still move it. We've got that to go. That's one coffee. Have I got one coffee left?
Yeah.
I've nearly done.
No,
Yeah.
it's not coffee.
What is it?
Hot chocolate.
No!
There is no coffee.
Why? It's the only reason I came.
You've not nearly done.
I've nearly done.
I've got one more hot chocolate to make, yeah?
Oh god.
It's going to be delicious.
I need coffee.
Oreo.
I need coffee, Sean. Oh, this is really fiddly. It's really annoying. The spring's on. Got to tighten that up. It's probably a 10mm. Done.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
What?
It's done. It takes 2 hot chocolates to fit a Grom exhaust. And that is science.
Cold start.
Whoa. 68 average on this.
That's not that bad at all then.
No. That's really not that bad.
We need to do flyby. Right, here we go. We go for a flyby.
came past before like that with his standard exhaust on, it would have just been... It'd have been like wind noise more than anything. Like,
Not that loud, is it?
it's quite loud.
Oh, is it?
Not like too loud, but it's way louder than it was. Gives a backy.
Okay then.
I've only got one hand. How does it cope getting backies? I've got no hand, I've got to hold you like you're my boyfriend.
I might brake really hard and just go, ooh!
Oh! Oh, I'm inside.
Well, the front end's really light now.
I did wonder how that would deal with that, but yeah, that's good. Yep.
Right, part 2. But I'm not doing Jamie's funky dentist head setup. Right, come on, let's get a live stopwatch going.
I'm opening your tail tidy. Dee -dee -dee -dee. I like opening parcels that don't belong to me. I should work for the Royal Mail. Ooh. Oh, we've got some gubbins. That's tiny.
That's what she said.
Right, 3, 2, 1. That took 27 minutes. So it's a half-hour job to put the tail tidy in.
Well, they don't look too bad. Nailed it. Oh yeah, it looks way better.
Like it.
Okay, and we've done.
Let us know what we've done wrong. YouTube's good at that. See you in the next one.
What the hell? What's this guy doing? You alright? As long as you're good, man. What the hell?